Let's learn how to remove your WhatsApp from other devices. You can do this in just a few steps, and it's very simple. If you want to follow all the steps, stay until the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is check if your WhatsApp is updated. Go to the App Store, and when the homepage opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner. This is the search option. When search opens, type WhatsApp in the search bar, and the WhatsApp page will open. If it says Open next to it, then your WhatsApp is updated. If it says Update, click on it and wait a bit. Once you are sure your WhatsApp is updated, we can start. Also, make sure you are on the right account from which you want to log out devices. Now we can begin. The first thing you need to do is find and open the WhatsApp application on your device. When WhatsApp opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the Settings option. After clicking on it, a page with several options will open. From all those options, you need the Linked Devices option. Click on that option, and you will see all the devices connected to your WhatsApp. If you want to log out from a device, find that device on the list and click on it. After clicking on it, you will see the Logout option on the page that opens. Click on it, and that's it. You have successfully removed the device from your WhatsApp. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.